Welcome to the Actiphy webinar series. I'm Jamey, and today I am excited to introduce a powerful enhancement to ActiveImage Protector, expanded virtualization support for Linux KVM. In short, this session builds on our previous webinar, highlighting how Actiphy continues to deliver unified, agentless backup and recovery across every major hypervisor, VMware, Hyper-V, and now Linux KVM. ActiveImage Protector now supports Linux KVM, further expanding our virtualization coverage. For MSPs and IT professionals, this means you can protect not only VMware vSphere and Microsoft Hyper-V environments, but now Linux KVM as well, all from the same console with the same workflow. Whether your clients run Windows, Linux, or mixed workloads, AIP delivers a unified agentless solution for backup and recovery. With this update, Actiphy delivers unified agentless protection across all major hypervisors. There's no need to install or maintain agents on each virtual machine. Backups are captured directly at the host level. That means simpler deployment, less maintenance, and lower resource overhead, all while ensuring complete data protection across VMware, Hyper-V, and now Linux KVM. And because ActiveImage Protector handles backup at the hypervisor level, protection for Linux KVM is both fast and flexible. You can run image-based backups without interrupting production workloads and recover entire systems or individual volumes in minutes. Whether you're protecting a single Linux server or dozens of virtualized environments for your clients, AIP keeps performance high and downtime low. Let's take a quick look at what KVM actually is. KVM, or kernel-based virtual machine, is a part of the Linux kernel itself, essentially transforming Linux into a high-performance enterprise-class hypervisor. Because it's native to the kernel, there's no added layer to manage, making it highly efficient, stable, and secure. It's the foundation of many modern cloud and data center platforms, and now it's fully protected by ActiveImage Protector. KVM is open source, which means a global community of developers and vendors continually improves it. This collaboration keeps KVM on the cutting edge of performance and security. For MSPs and IT professionals, that translates to lower licensing costs, outstanding scalability, and freedom from vendor lock-in, without sacrificing enterprise-grade reliability. It's the power of open innovation backed by proven stability. KVM has become a cornerstone of modern enterprise and cloud infrastructure. It powers data centers, private clouds, and public providers alike, from small business deployments to hyperscale environments. Its efficiency, stability, and flexibility make it the ideal choice for organizations that require continuous uptime and predictable performance. And now, with ActiveImage Protector, you can deliver the same level of data protection and recovery assurances across those KVM-based workloads. With version 7.6, ActiveImage Protector introduces HyperBack for Linux KVM, enabling true agentless backup for Linux virtual machines. HyperBack captures a complete image-based backup directly from the KVM host, eliminating the need for software installation within each VM. That means less maintenance, no system intrusion, and zero downtime during backups. It's efficient, reliable, and purpose-built for environments where performance and simplicity matter. Alongside HyperBack, version 7.6 introduces HyperRecovery for Linux KVM, a fast, image-based restore engine built for speed and precision. With HyperRecovery, you can restore entire virtual machines directly to new or existing KVM hosts in minutes. There's no need to recreate VM configurations or manually attach disks. AIP automates the process end-to-end. For MSPs, that means less downtime for clients and faster revenue recovery when systems fail. With these enhancements, ActiveImage Protector now delivers unified agentless protection across VMware's vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V, and Linux KVM. The same console, the same workflow, and the same reliability, no matter which hypervisor your client runs. For MSPs managing mixed environments, this unified approach eliminates silos and streamlines every aspect of backup and recovery management. One product, one interface covering every platform. ActiveImage Protector was designed to make deployment scalable and straightforward, even across large mixed environments. Because backups are handled at the host level, there's no need to install or update agents inside each virtual machine. That means less time spent configuring systems, fewer points of failure, and dramatically lower maintenance costs. For MSPs, it's fast to roll out, easy to manage, and built to grow with your business. Let's take a look at how easy it is to set up agentless backup for KVM. We'll start by adding a Linux KVM host in the AIP console. First, let's select Add Hypervisor. Add Hypervisor again. Select KVM. Enter the IP address of our server, which is 173. Select root for this instance and the password. Then select OK. Now select the hypervisor, test the connection, look at the status, test was successful, apply the changes, and select OK. Once the host connection is established, ActiveImage Protector automatically detects the virtual machines running on that system. No extra software to deploy and no manual configuration. Just connect, authenticate, and you're ready to protect. Once the host is added, ActiveImage Protector automatically detects all virtual machines running under that KVM environment. From here, we simply select which VMs we want to protect, whether it's a single production server or an entire group of virtual workloads. Select VM, select hypervisor type KVM, select the IP address. Now we can select which VMs we want to back up. We're going to select them all. Verify. Yep, everything looks good. Select Next. It's fast, intuitive, and consistent with how AIP handles VMware and Hyper-V hosts. In just a few clicks, you're ready to define your backup strategy. Next, we'll configure the backup destination and schedule. You can store your backup images on local storage, a NAS, or any cloud platform supported by AIP, including Seagate Live Cloud, Amazon S3, and Microsoft Azure. Now we can select the destination folder. Here are our choices. We're going to select our D drive for local. Select a backup folder. Once the destination is set, define a schedule that fits your client's needs, daily, weekly, or on demand. Here we will select Sunday for a full backup and Monday through Saturday for incremental backups. We will do incremental backup every 12 hours. Check that everything is okay. Select Next, select Done. With automation handling the rest, you can focus on running your business rather than managing backups. Once your backup is configured, simply start the HyperBack job and you're done. ActiveImage Protector begins automatically capturing the selected virtual machines without interrupting any running workloads. Now we will select Yes to run the first task. This will start the backup. And now we will select Done. From the dashboard, you can monitor backup process in real time and review task logs or performance metrics at a glance. It's simple, transparent, and built for the reliability MSPs and IT professionals expect. Now let's take a look at recovery. With ActiveImage Protector, you can restore backup images directly to new or existing KVM virtual machines. Whether you're replacing a failed host or recovering a single VM, HyperRecovery makes the process predictable and straightforward. In just a few clicks, you can bring systems back online, fast, reliable, and fully automated. Let's restore a single machine using HyperRecovery. First, we will select the backup that we want to recover. We will recover from our Human Resources application server. Select the backup, select Next, verify that this is what we want to recover, and all is okay. Select Done, and then Yes. The recovery will start. And it's complete. What's great about HyperRecovery for KVM is that the workflow is identical to what you're already used to for VMware and Hyper-V. There's no new interface to learn, no special configuration required, and no extra training needed. This consistency makes it easy for MSPs and IT teams to manage mixed virtualization environments using the same familiar tools. Whether you're restoring a Windows VM on Hyper-V or a Linux VM on KVM, the process feels the same: simple, fast, and reliable. Because HyperRecovery restores from complete image-based backups, downtime is kept to an absolute minimum. There's no need to rebuild systems from scratch or reinstall applications. Everything comes back exactly as it was before. The result is faster recovery, predictable performance, and less disruption for your clients. In managed environments, this translates to increased uptime, enhanced customer satisfaction, and reduced emergency calls. Version 7.6 also introduces support for Seagate Live Cloud as a backup target. Live Cloud offers an affordable S3-compatible object storage solution with no egress fees, making it ideal for off-site and long-term retention. For MSPs, this means easier cloud integration and predictable cost when managing multiple client environments. Whether you're protecting on-premise servers or hosted VMs, Live Cloud adds another layer of flexibility to your data protection strategy. We've also introduced a new image format that improves both integrity and forward compatibility with future releases. This change enhances verification and recovery performance, ensuring even greater reliability when managing extensive or long-term archives. And don't worry, ActiveImage Protector remains fully backwards compatible. You can continue working with your existing image files, while all new backups will automatically use the updated format for optimal performance and consistency. We've also improved replication and recovery performance across the board in version 7.6. Data transfer and verification processes are now faster and more efficient, reducing total backup and recovery time, especially in cloud and remote storage environments. These optimizations not only shorten recovery windows, but also minimize bandwidth usage, helping MSPs deliver faster SLAs and smoother client experiences. With Linux KVM support now part of the lineup, ActiveImage Protector truly delivers unified protection for every virtual environment. Whether your infrastructure runs on VMware vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V, or Linux KVM, you can manage it all from the same console with the same agentless efficiency. This consistency saves time, reduces complexity, and ensures you're always ready to protect what matters most across any platform. ActiveImage Protector simplifies management across all of your virtual environments. There's no need to juggle separate tools or interfaces. Everything is handled through a single unified console. For MSPs, this means faster deployment, easier monitoring, and a single consistent workflow for every client site. With AIP, you spend less time managing backups and more time delivering value to your customers. And, of course, rapid and reliable recovery is what ActiveImage Protector is all about. When something goes wrong, You can restore an entire system or individual virtual machines in minutes, not hours. AIP's image-based recovery process ensures that every file, configuration, and setting is restored exactly as it was. Fast, predictable recovery isn't just convenience, it's the confidence your clients count on when every minute matters. For more information, you can explore our company's technical documentation, which includes configuration guides, facts, and release details. If you'd like to discuss how ActiveImage Protector can support your environment or your clients, our sales and support teams are always ready to help. And of course, you can schedule a free demo or evaluation to experience these new features firsthand. That brings us to the end of today's webinar. On behalf of everyone at Actiphy, thank you for taking the time to spend with us. We hope this session provided you with a clear understanding of how ActiveImage Protector continues to evolve, simplifying management, strengthening recovery, and now expanding protection to Linux KVM. If you have any follow-up questions, would like a personalized demo, or want to explore how this solution can fit into your environment, our team is always happy to help. Thanks again, and we look forward to helping you protect what matters most.